In this video, we're going to review the absolute value and introduce the concept of distance. On the video about real number line, we introduced the absolute value. Recall that the absolute value of a real number is the distance from the origin. Distance is always positive or zero. Thus, we can say that if a is a real number, then the absolute value of a is equal to a if a is greater or equal to 0, or the absolute value of a is equal to negative a if a is less than 0. Example 1. Evaluate the absolute value of the following real numbers. Referring to the number line and from definition, the absolute value of 4 is 4. The absolute value of negative 4 is 4. The absolute value of 0 is 0. And the absolute value of 2 is 2. Now what if we want to find the distance between two arbitrary numbers on the real line? For example, what is the distance between negative 2 and 5? From the number line, we can easily tell that the distance is 7. It is quite intuitive to arrive at this by evaluating the absolute value of 5 minus negative 2, or the absolute value of negative 2 minus 5. Now using this observation, we define the distance between 2 points on the number line as follows. If a and b are real numbers, the distance between points a and b is the absolute value of b minus a, or the absolute value of a minus b. Example 2. Find the distance between the following pairs of numbers on the real line. From our definition and looking at the real line, the distance between 1 and 2 is the absolute value of 1 minus 2 equals 1. The distance between negative 2 and 1 is the absolute value of negative 2 minus 1 equals 3. The distance between negative 1/2 and 1/2 is the absolute value of negative 1/2 minus 1/2 equals 1. And that's the meaning of absolute value and distance between 2 points on the number line. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.